Kevin, you're at it again.
That's right.
Doing your favorite thing in the whole wide world.
No, my favorite thing is taking naps, bro. Y'all know that.
Second favorite thing?
Yeah.
It's that time. She's on the ground. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, we are on the home stretch of Alex's car. All the tedious, tiny, little minute details that nobody wants to do, but you got to. So, let's get into it. Yeah, that's right. She's actually on all fours. Pretty much for the last time. And looking amazing. There's still a lot to be done, but man, I'm telling you, it's getting very close. And the results are literally popping. Holy moly. Out on all fours in the sun. Hold on, let me give you that. Good God. I think I've mentioned several times, sometimes I still wish I'd have painted my car black, but is what it is. But boys, I'm telling you, hard to beat a black coupe. And I know the video ain't gonna do that big old booty justice, but good God. So, interior wise, still got quite a bit to do. Not a lot, but gotta finish the Dakota Digital and just pretty much put everything back together. Everything else is here. There's your control pack there. Door panels, put the dash back together, put those S550 Recaros in. Should be ready. I'm telling you guys, y'all ain't ready for the full review once this thing's done. Alright, so what do we got coming on the horizon? Now that we pretty well got Alice's car wrapped up, we do still need to get this engine put together. That's coming very shortly. Gonna drop the engine and trans in Project Frostbite. Should have all the parts maybe today, I don't know, we'll have to see, but should have all the interior parts for Project Frostbite very soon. And I'm basically gonna do all the interior at once, and I can't wait, because it's gonna be one hell of a transformation from what the car used to look like. Also, boys, we're gonna get the 79 pace car in the shop. We've got a full 4 fuel system that we got to run in it. Got to build the rear end, put the interior together, finish wiring it up, put the rest of the power by the hour brackets and all of that stuff on it. So Gen 3 10R80 ESS supercharged 79 pace car. You're gonna want to stick around for that, I promise. And of course, old red. I wish guys, I wish I could just sit down and explain the slow going on my car, but suffice to say, it's coming, and it should be at Holly Ford Fest this year, barring anything unforeseen. So it gives you an idea. We're gonna knock that thing out pretty quick, which nobody's happier about that than me. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.